Hey guys, good morning. I just want to show you guys how to download from the homepage, right? Our lecture for today, which is going to be on economic systems. So you're going to come into the homepage, and you guys can get to the lecture two ways, right? You can either go in through here into our daily agendas, and if I click that button, it would pop us up into here, and we just click, okay, it is the 14th week of school, so we'd be able to click in there. And the daily agenda tells you that today you're going to be doing the economic systems lecture. So you would click into all of the unit resources, and then that will take you into the exact same place that if I had just on the homepage clicked into Unit 7 resources, right? We're going to end up on the same page twice. And you can see here, we've got our unit calendar. It's telling me what the vocab words are for the week. We've got our lectures, and inside the daily agenda, it said the economic systems. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to pop up into Google Drive. Okay. And then what you have here is the lecture. So you go File. Okay. And remember, you always want to scroll down and go to Print Settings and Preview. So we go File, Print Settings, and Preview. And we know that if we just print this into our OneNote as is, this is not something that's going to print correctly. So we're going to come down here and we want this to be a handout, 3 slides per page. And then we also want to come up to the top and we want to change the paper format. So we don't want landscape, we want portrait. Okay. And then we're going to hit print. And then we have to remember that when we're printing it, we need to make sure that it's heading into our OneNote. And so we change the printer to say OneNote. We're going to click print. Now, once again, I already cheated and my OneNote was already open and I already have it in the area that I want it in, which is in Unit 7. So you guys can see that that's exactly where it needs to be. Okay. And so while it imports, once again, even though it's going to say the economic systems in government, okay, oh, son of a monkey's uncle, it printed to that page. Okay, well, here you guys get to see me fix this. So I printed it to the wrong page, so I'm going to add a page down here. And I'm going to title this Economic Systems Lecture. And I'm going to come into this front page. I'm going to make sure I hit Control, Copy. And then I'm going to come over here to the economic systems page and Control V. And then everything there is going to copy just fine. So I can come here, I can delete that page, and then we're all set for the lecture. Sweet. See you guys later.